Hello? Whoa, hold on a minute. Got to take off the lens cap. Don't want to be John from Road Reality. Hello! And,
Welcome to Back and Door Channel. What's up, Papa Backer? Go check out Papa Backer.
alright, welcome to Blue Bike and Doors channel with another episode of Dickin Around in the Shed. Today we make a gate. Run that intro. Welcome back, everybody, to the Blue Bike and Doors channel and Dickin Around in the Shed. We in the shed today. It's very, very hot. I still ain't got a thermometer. Where's that? Oh, yeah. We're making a gate for the back porch for Bohannon. Our wooden one is falling apart, so I thought, hey, I'm a metal worker and fabricator. See, I'm wearing my fabricating hat. We'll change that to the welding hat in a minute. We're gonna make a gate for it and make it decorative, make it pretty, decorative, we're gonna, yeah. Let's get to it. I already made the first mark. Ain't made no cuts, but made the first mark. Like Mr. Roger, we gotta take a fabricating hat off, fabrats.com, and hang that up there. Hang this right here. Oh, let's go ahead and put an apron on. We are working with metal, and I ain't worn my metal working apron in a while. Got a pen holder, marker holder, pencil holder, whatever you want to call the holder. Holder precious. That way. Get those sparks on the old shirt and get it on fire. And we need this because we're going to need some cutting. Do some cutting. Like I said, I already marked it, squared it off, and we're ready to cut. We'll seal up a little bit. Don't want no sparkies on her, and we are a little closer. Could be doing this outside, but the sun's hot, and I'm not. Yeah, I'm hot. See, pen holder. Doesn't recommend to doing cutting and welding in shorts, but yeah, whatever. Good enough. That's not that. That's only 2 cuts we really got to make. You gotta make sure I want these facing the same way. Yeah, like so. Well, we have enough room. All right, we got it laid out square. Well, we know this one side's square. This side's probably not, and that side, but we're gonna start with this side and we're gonna tack it into place. Tacky, square it up. Yep, L7. Good old L7. That means square. For you unhipsters, you square people. Are you a square? Are you a square? Not me, I'm round. You couldn't see I was shape. I'm in shape. Round is a shape. Got the old trusty Lincoln out here. My hot rod Lincoln. Yeah, buddy. And we're gonna clamp it. So the roll, nope. Clamp it right in here. I'm going to do a double check because we want it squares. I'll get out. And that's what it is, square. Alright, gas on. Nope. You got to turn your gas on. The reason why I'm doing it in the building is the wind's blowing and you'll lose your gas. Don't want to lose your gas. That's the key to welding. Alright, let's take that off. I think I need that removed right now. Onto my welding shield. Get that good and tight. Get my one glove like Michael Jackson. And we're gonna weld. Turn it on. I don't know where you're pointing, what you can see. We're gonna put a weld in there and then we can square it up better. Don't move. Whoa, you poppy today. Is that too fast? Yeah, way too fast. How did that get turned? That's the problem. Woo, coming out like hot tomato. Hot tomato. All right, that's good tack for right now. Now we're gonna move on to the other side. I got three more sides to do. All right, we got it squared up and welded up. I'm drinking my Water Co. Avenger water. Yeah, stay hydrated with Avengers. Natural spring water. What's it made at? I don't know. I can't read that small writing right now. But I'll tell you how we got it. I didn't go out and just buy Marvel's Avengers water. Our company, we haul for this little thrift store every now and then when they get a load up somewhere, and they say, hey, can you, and if we're in the area, we'll haul it in for free for them, and they gave us a pallet of Avenger water. It's pretty good water too. So I got me a case. Hope they got some more because I need another case now. It's good water. Agua. All right, so I was thinking next step is what do I do with it? I got a rod. I got a rod. You got a rod. I got a rod. We all get a rod and we go down to the fishing pole. This is going to be my hinge. Hinge gate. So it slides down in it and then swings. I hope. So let's see if we can't make this hinge. The hinge gate. How much I need? Probably about 3 inches and 3 inches. Maybe 4 inches. Yep. Let's see. I need 2, maybe 3. I'll do 3 hinges. See if I got enough. 3 to, yep, just barely. I don't need the rod, and this slides over it. So 2 inches probably do it. 2 inches it is. Pin in my pocket. See? Perfect place for a pin to be in your pocket. I'll stick it right here, and we're gonna hook it. 2, 4. What country are 4? No 5, and then no 6. I'll give 1, 2, 3. Three little hinges. 3 little hinges. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little engines. That's probably a song somewhere too. So let's do 3 inches on this. That way we'll have like an inch clearance. Go 2.5. 2.5 it is. 2.5. Maybe 4.5 and 6.5. All right, we got those marked, and I'll cut them out. Got to change hats. Changing hats. We'll get the hinges working. We'll know the door works. Yep. Well, I know it door worked. I just put it in there, and it fits in between the. Yeah. All right. What's that thing? It might. It's all upside down. That might be better. I don't know. Hey, how you doing? Let's see. Let me turn you around. I can see, hey, I can see the bar moving. Oh, we got audio. Hey, 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 hey. Hay's for horses. Agwa's for me. This second water break. You know, plain water don't do, you need electrolytes. Electrolytes what your body needs. Electrolytes what the plants need. Update is, I made some hinges. We hope they work. I made brackets, braces, those things to put the hinges on, and we hope they work. They outside cooling off now, and so yeah, pretty much just boring, just welding and cutting. welds are, they holding, they ain't the prettiest, but that's how you're going to get practice. You just got to do. And this is a $100 deal I'm going to do. Ooh. So we'll get back at it. It's hot, very hot. Yeah, gotta get done before the rain starts. So, excuse me. Here's the hinge. One's the top and one's the bottom, and they go together like so. They work like that, or like this. You just slap them in, and you probably just pick your gate up off the hinges. Excuse me. So that's how they're gonna go, and one's gonna be welded on here, and one's gonna be. I should drill some holes so I can screw it to the post. Like so. Yep. All right, that's the way we want it. All right, so I guess welding these onto them. That's the next step. Hey y'all, I'm pretty proud of myself. I made something just from using my old noggin, and yeah, it's a work in progress, but it swings. It's swinging. Sitting on the front porch, and it was swinging, and it opens and closes. Okay. The wheel might be a little off, but I thought I could slip it down, but because of the way they made I didn't make the porch. But hey, the hinges works, and I can redo that if I hadn't welded it on real good. We'll fix it. So phase one's complete. Now it's the direct correction, making it pretty. I'm gonna turn into a Venger. This is my third Venger water. Hulk smash. I'm more like, I don't know, Captain America. Freedom, yeah. Be honest, I'm more like the Hulk. When I get mad, I start smashing things and throwing things. So, yeah, I'm the Hulk. I'm Batman. All right, let's get back to what we was doing. Well, hello. I know y'all probably wanted to see the gate finished, but it's coming along pretty good. I kind of like it but I probably ain't gonna have enough metal to finish it. Plus, I don't have enough energy to finish it. This heat's taking it out of me. And yeah. So stay tuned for part 2 of the gate build. Dickin around gate. That sounds like I'm gonna. Ooh, yeah. Don't even go there. That sounds like something Hillary Clinton and Bill would get into. I killed myself. All right, you can go check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here. It's still free unless I get locked up for gates and all.